Alright, I try my best here to get a video done here solo of me starting it. This is while the distributor is still bad. This is before me really trying anything. Have a feeling I maybe shouldn't even attempt this, but maybe just give you an idea of what it's like here when your crankshaft position sensor has possibly gone out, along with possible various other parts. Alright, so before I tear it apart, I'm just gonna try to crank her over. Keep in mind it's also got a pretty bad exhaust issue, so I think that's around my flex pipe. Yep. So, pretty much not going to be giving any more than that. Seems like it's getting spark, but it seems like timing or something is totally off. So, I guess nothing left to do but commence to taking apart. Alright, stay posted.